Okay, welcome to your new Nextion. Alright, the top row is unipolar. And if you have any question, guys, just call me over the phone, okay? So the top row is unipolar wave. The bottom row is bipolar wave. So this is the menu you get when you turn it on. This is the rev we're at right now. So you click on the button and it lights up green. If you change your mind, you can click on another one. See, it just works just fine. Here we have morning, which is 14 hertz, evening, which is 8 hertz, and then sleep, which is 1 hertz. So in the morning until noonish, evening, supper time, before bed, and sleep for sleeping, obviously. So we're going to pick morning, and then on the bottom here is your timer. So 20 minutes, 60 minutes, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And then as soon as you click 8 hours, it just goes on, or whatever time you choose. And then you get the countdown right here. I'm going to cancel that. So using the magnet that I provided, you can check your you can check your coils to see if make sure they work. And then you'll see too, you can try sleep, put your magnet on the coil, put sleep like that and go 20 minutes, and then you'll hear the magnet moving at a certain cadence of 1 hertz per second. If you do it on the bipolar, you'll see it'll vibrate in a different way, even though it's still 1 hertz. And then evening, and then unipolar and bipolar, etc. Now the advanced setup, for most people you don't have to do that. It's mostly for like the people like me, the biohackers. Here you choose your frequencies between 1 and 1,000. I got it locked down to 1,000, but you can make it to 1,000 if you want. And it's been well known for people with depression, for example, that 1,000 hertz works really well. Click OK, click on the 0. The duty cycle, choose between 1 and 25. If you enter higher, it'll just it'll go by default to 25. I got it locked down to 25. You don't need more than 25% duty cycle. It just generates too much heat on the mat anyway. Next, now here you got the waveform. You got unipolar on top, obviously, and bipolar on the bottom. North, that means you're going to be exposed to a north side of the magnetic field when you choose this one. Here you get exposed to a south magnetic field on your mat. I don't know if there's any benefit to that or not, but it's a function we have access to, so it'll be fun to do research. I've read some anecdotal testimonial that says some people like north better than south. Here we have linked. That means it's going to go straight to north, followed by south, with no pause. So north, south, connected together, they're linked. Then pause, and then do it again. Unlinked means it's going to go north, pause, south, pause, north, pause, south, pause. That's what it's doing. So we'll pick this one, for example. You click next. Here you can pick whatever you want. You want to be on your mat for 24 hours, you can. Pick 2 hours, and then we'll pick, let's go 66 minutes, okay. And you click start. The mat will be done automatically up here, so 66 minutes give us an extra hours. Give you your frequencies, duty cycle, man, I was telling you, it's locked up at 25, and the wave type south. And that's your time left, and when it's done, it just goes to congratulations. Let's do it. I'll show you the screen. I'll show you here too what happens if we do this. Next. Let's delete this. Here, let's delete this and do 1 minute. Start. See, it's still stuck at 1,000, which is the maximum, and 25, which is the maximum too for duty cycle. So the advanced setup is not confusing. At any point, if you get lost, you can always reboot the machine. There's no problem doing that. It's not like Windows. You can click cancel, go back to the main menu. There is no other machine like this in the world, guys. There's nothing with that kind of flexibility. There's nothing that does with the bipolar the way we do it. Personal experience, my psoriasis and on my legs The unipolar is better than the bipolar. Generally speaking, the bipolar is good for soft tissue, burn, cuts, bruises, and unipolar good for bone, tendon, and joint. So that's a start. Now you're going to see the next screen coming up. And there it is. Congratulations, mission accomplished. Press start for another session. So you push start and then you just get back to the main menu. Like I said, any question, call me. Have a good day, guys.